Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the file and work on a duplicate layer to protect the original. Use layer duplicate layer and keep the background intact. Set resolution to 300 dpi and resize to the desired pixel dimensions before major edits. Convert a color photo to 16-bit if subtle tone recovery is needed. Use image mode to change bit depth and avoid posterization during heavy adjustments. Name layers clearly and save a PSD backup file before you proceed with destructive tools. Use the spot healing brush with a 5px to 50px size for common dust and spots. Work in small strokes and let Photoshop sample nearby texture automatically. For larger tiers, use the clone stamp at 50% opacity and smaller brush strokes for controlled blending. Paint with a soft brush and sample frequently from clean areas. Use the patch tool on a new layer set to content-aware for texture, blending on complex areas. Reduce opacity to 70% when edges look too sharp after repair. Use levels or curves to recover contrast and set black and white points. Adjust individual channel curves to correct color casts gently without clipping highlights. Apply camera raw filter for targeted color balance, clarity, and noise reduction in one step. Use the HSL sliders to recover faded reds and greens precisely. Finish by sharpening at the end with Smart Sharpen at 50% amount and 0.8px radius for natural results. Save a high-quality TIFF and export a JPG for sharing at 80% quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.